10 Amazing Architects of the Animal Kingdom. Master builders of the animal kingdom include spiders that curl leaves into shelters, termites that construct colossal air-conditioned mounds, and birds that build and decorate their nests. 1. The nest of the Vogop bowerbird. The Vogop bowerbird has a really astounding capacity for self-construction. The hut-like structure that the bird builds gets part of its name, bower, from the front entry, which is decorated with leaves, flowers, and shining beetle body parts. See it as a lawn. The hut is approximately 5.5 feet across and little taller than 3 feet. When it's mating season, male birds are more committed to keeping a spotless front yard, in an effort to outdo their rivals. To weave the pendulous baskets, grouping the nests together into colonies. They anchor the nests with the strongest vines, adding other vines and fibers bit by bit until the nests are completed. These tropical subdivisions are often located in large, isolated trees, with the nests hanging from the flimsy far end of the branches. That discourages raiding monkeys from trying to climb out to devour the precious eggs. Montezuma or pendulas also have another way to keep predators at bay. They like to build in trees where hornets live. 6. Cathedral termite mounds. Termites are master builders. Their iconic mounds can reach 10 feet or more in height. In fact, the one pictured is approximately 16 feet tall. Constructed from the chewed remnants of woody trees, mud and feces, these animal skyscrapers provide all sorts of creature comforts for the termite colony. Excellent air circulation allows for the mound to be kept air-conditioned, water collects as condensation, and some colonies maintain gardens of fungi within the mound. 7. Rufus hornero nest. Most birds' nests are airy structures made of twigs, but not this one. The Rufus hornero, a South American bird, builds unusual earthen nests in trees. It collects mud and dung to create a bowl high atop tree limbs. The sun bakes the nest to create a hardened shelter where the birds can lay their eggs. The nest is oriented to face away from the prevailing winds too, creating a refuge from the weather. Eight. Prairie dog towns. Prairie dogs excavate their homes, digging burrows out of the ground. Because leaf-curling spider web. Lots of spiders make webs, of course, but the Australian leaf-curling spider, Phenagnatha griefii, uses recycled material to build an addition to its home. It chooses a nice dead leaf and lines the leaf with silk, curling it to form a cozy retreat that's closed at the top and open at the bottom. These spiders hang their creation in the center of a web and shelter there as they wait for passing prey. When reproducing, the female builds another curled leaf to be her nursery, which she hangs at some distance from the web nestled in nearby foliage. In some cases, these spiders have been known to use discarded scraps of paper or other lightweight material to create their shelters. 10. Beaver dam. Yes, beavers are perhaps the most famous animal architects, and rightfully so. They fell huge trees to create dams, which they build to create still ponds where they can construct their winter homes, or lodges. However, what you might not know is that these mammals, in addition to being expert woodworkers, are also skilled at weatherproofing. Each year they prepare for winter by covering their lodge with a fresh coat of mud, which hardens to create a barrier against the cold and predators.